Alright, yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, basically, I'm just gonna be giving a review. Alright, so look, I do have a ponytail in my hair. I thought it would look pretty cool. So, other than that, I'm gonna be showing a review on a pretty good budget keyboard. Except it could break pretty easily. So, just watch out for that. So, my birthday was yesterday. At the moment, it was yesterday. So, like, at the time of me uploading this video, it was yesterday. So, if you saw the video of what I got a mechanical keyboard. It's only $55. It's a pretty good budget keyboard. I mean, gotta be honest, it's actually pretty good. So, here's the thing. So, if you want to know, look, so there is a button, look, FN, and then you press one of these, you hold this, and then you, like this. And then, this is just a normal setting. Press FN again, and then this over here, this will just cycle through. This will just cycle through the colors, like every single color. There should be another one. It's this one. Then there's that, and there's this. So that's it for that one. The feel of it is really good, like this. Like, it feels really good. The arrow keys are probably the clickiest, though. Probably the clickiest out of all of them. But, so you press FN. There's this one, which I really like, because you can just touch on, and it would show random colors. There's this one. I like this one a lot too. There's this one. Which I personally think is really cool. And I'm pretty sure, yep, that's it for that one. This one is pretty cool. I kind of like this one. But this one's alright. Okay. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong one. This is the second one for page up. Pretty cool. Okay. Then you got this one. Just plain. Then you got this one again. Alright, so you got this one. Hold on. This one I like a lot, in my opinion. It looks really nice. Alright, so we go to this. This one is just, it cycles through the colors. This one's pretty cool too. I kind of like this one too. We got this one. This one's actually kind of cool. Because, look, if you see it closely, pretty cool. Yeah, and that's it for that one. Okay, there's this one. There's this one. This one, it actually has a wave that comes down. If you look closely, look, see, there's a wave. Then this one. This one is pretty cool. There's this one. It's pretty much just one color, but look, pretty sure you can yeah, you can cycle through the colors, whichever one you want. With this, I like blue, personally. You could also change the brightness. Then we got this one. This one is my favorite because look. So you see how it goes out like that? Watch the waves closely when I type fast. I really love this keyboard. This one has a nice feel to it, but be careful with it, because this thing could break really easily. But yeah, that's just my review on this. I would buy this. This is a pretty good, cheap budget keyboard. I would buy this, but I would probably buy it right now, because the thing is probably gonna go up like insanely high in the future. Because I'm pretty sure this is a new keyboard, so get it while you can. It's really nice budget keyboard. I really love this thing so much. Oh, you like that? It feels so good. But that's basically my review on the keyboard. I'd buy it. Totally, I would definitely buy this. This is a really good budget keyboard. It's just probably the only thing with it is that it'd probably break very easily, and it's probably pretty low quality. But the feel, the click of it, it just sounds fantastic. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Leave a comment if you like this or not. Personally, I like it. Like, especially when I go like this. Shows in the back. But it's whatever. It's decent. But yeah, peace out. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. But yeah, peace out.